In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Something very interesting, something highly beneficial is going to be talked about in our today's discussion. A very lucrative, a very profitable deal is going to be offered to us, the humans. By whom? By Allah Rabbul Izzat. A very, very useful, very, very beneficial, very, very profitable, very, very lucrative, a very important deal has been offered. By whom? By the one who has created us, not by someone else. Why am I saying that this deal is being offered by Allah Rabbul Izzat? Why? Because once you ponder upon it, you will come to know that these are actually the teachings of Islam. These have been taken. The instructions, the affirmations, these principles have been derived from the teachings of Deen-e-Islam. These are not the only teachings. There are plenty of others as well. Each one of them is very important, but we are going to talk about the one of those. Do you want to become a happy human being? Who will say that I don't want to become a happy human being? Happiness is something like an ultimate emotion. Then, do you want to look good? Who else don't want to look good? Do you want to be liked by the people? We do so much to be liked by the people. So all of these things are really important. All of these things are really important. There might be certain other benefits of the principles, of the habits, of the work I am going to suggest. There will be certain other benefits as well. But these things are the very basic achievement of what is going to be talked about. First of all, always think positive. Always think positive. No matter what is the situation, no matter what has happened, if someone else has become extremely negative against you, even then stay positive. Principle number 1. Believe me, it's not as difficult as it seems. It's not as difficult as it seems. It is difficult only as long as it does not become our habit. Once it does, once it becomes a pattern of our thinking, then it demands least effort. Effort is needed still to carry it on, but a very little amount of effort is needed actually. Think positive. Always think positive. Always think positive. Number 1. Number 2. What is the number 2? Speak less but speak positive. Don't speak much. Don't speak negative. Speak less but speak positive. This is the principle number 2. Smile and smile a lot. Keep smiling while talking. Keep smiling while talking. At least begin your talk with a smile. Smile as much as you can. Smile as much as you can. Smile so much that you become a smiling face. So, all the three of these are demanding somewhat of effort till it does not become our habit. Once it does, then it needs very little amount of effort, very little amount of work, very little amount of struggle to carry it on. Carrying it on is easy, though it needs a bit of work, it needs a little bit of work. But making it a habit of ours, obviously, it demands good amount of effort. It demands good amount of effort, but it is very much doable, very much practicable, very much practicable, very much doable, very much implementable. It is not difficult. It is not that much difficult. We can do it. Any one of us and every one of us, if at all we are determined, we can put it into practice. If at all we are determined, we can put it into practice. We can keep practicing it. We can keep reaping the benefits of it. We can keep enjoying it. All of that is quite feasible. All of that is quite practicable. What to do? Not difficult. Every one of us want to become a happy human being, but the way we have adopted to become happy will not make us happy. Everybody want to look good. This is the easiest way to look good. Everybody want to be liked by the people. This is the surest way. This is the surest way to be liked by the people. Really. Then why not to make it as a resolution that from now onward, from very this moment, we will be doing everything we can to put it into practice, to keep practicing it, so that we could become happy, so that we could become a good looking human being, so that we become a person who is liked by the other people. Thank you. Jazakallah.